Ah, Hello viewers, uh, welcome you back to my YouTube channel. So as you have been talking about a lot of stuff, mainly including Google applications, Word, Microsoft Word, and other applications and softwares. Today we are going to talk about the best way you can arrange your tables or figures that may be in your document. Maybe if you're designing a textbook, how can you assemble all the tables and figures in the whole textbook such that you make it easy for the user to access such figures and tables? So on here I have my document that we are going to use for the learning today. In my list there are quite several number of tables that we are going to take an example of. So I think this will be good for us. So uh, you come on your table and the title of the table, then you place the cursor on the left hand side of that heading. When you do that, then you come to references. You come here. These are now on these structures. I think you can call them features. On these features on the desktop, where you can see file, home, insert. So you come specifically to references. Now when you come to references, you see insert caption. So where you see insert caption, you come and place there. Now they'll bring for you caption. Of course the caption is what you're going to add here. They'll bring for you caption, figure. Now in the case what you are designing is a figure can be in form of a graph, can be a pie chart, can be a bar graph, can be a line graph. So all those are figures. But now for our case, we are dealing with what? With a table. So you come here and select that what you are going to deal with is a what? Is a table. That's now your label. Of course, it's going to be a new what? A new label. Then what number do you want it to be? Let's say you want it to be 3 in threes. Then you press OK. And when you press OK to bring for you such a thing, then you can even select the numbering. You can decide let it be in this form or this form. Then you press OK. Okay. So you can see here that it has brought for you 3.30. So that means you can now remove this previous numbering here. You can remove that previous numbering. Now this table you have added a caption. You want it to put it on the what? On the other side of table of contents. So you go to where you want it to be. Let's say you want it to be here. You can come here and do what? And insert a page break so that you can put it there. So let's say you want it to be here. So you come back to references and insert a table of figures. So if you want it to be in this form, it is okay. If you want it to be in this form, it is also okay. Then you come to add a label. Then you come to what? To okay. Sorry. This is meant to be insert a what? Insert a list of what? Of tables. Sorry. So this is now what we have just whatever. the table 0 point what, point 3. So you have now inserted a what, you have inserted a table, a list of tables. You have inserted a list of tables. So this is now the other table that we had added a caption. This is now the table we have added a caption. Now in case you want to figures, in case you want to figures, you can still come and do what? Do the same thing. This is now our figure. Now in case I want to change the naming of this, I can still come to references, then you go to insert a caption. When you go to insert a caption, it will be a new label. So new label, what is now the new label? This new label, it is a figure. It is a figure. Then it is a new label. It is going to be in threes. Then you press OK. So when you press OK, it will bring for you here figure 3.0. Now after doing that, you come and add it here. Still, if you want to create a list of figures, come here and apply a page break. So you go to insert a page break, then you come to references back and insert a list of what, of figures. Set a list of what, so you can see it as both figure 3.0, which is awareness on breast cancer screening. So this is now the list of tables. It can be here, then this is list of figures. Now in case you want to separate the two, you can still insert a what, a page break, in case you want to create a new page. I think this is now okay. So that's now how we can design a list of tables and a list of figures. You just have to add a caption, then you create a new page and insert there your different number of figures. So thank you for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe.